Today we are here to talk about Jackson Farm, which is a brand new community by Smith Douglas Homes, and I am here with Claire. So Claire, we are here in Cartersville, so why don't you tell me a little bit about this new community, Jackson Farm?
Jackson Farm is about 5 miles from downtown Cartersville, so homeowners can enjoy the restaurants, stores, cafes and pubs, and there's even a brand new Buc-ee's within 20 minutes from the neighborhood. The Etowah River and Lake Allatoona are very close by, offering numerous opportunities for outdoor recreation.
So what can we expect at this new community, Jackson Farm?
The design of the community, we're planning for 191 home sites with winding streets, and we're also going to have some amenities to the front of that community. With base pricing beginning in the low 300s, you'll find a delightful offering of affordable new homes with open floor plans and wonderful features.
Well, the model home isn't quite ready at Jackson Farm, but earlier this year you guys did something really fun on social media that we're going to see come to life pretty soon. So tell us a little bit about that.
Well, at Smith Douglas, we talk about it's your home, your choice within reach, and so we really wanted a fun experience for people that follow us online. And over the course of 4 weeks, we presented design options for that model home, and we had people watching at home vote on what they wanted to see in that home.
Well, I can't wait to see how the model home turns out at Jackson Farm, but today we are in a model home that the floor plan will be offered there, so tell us a little bit about it.
That's right, this is our Avery floor plan, which is one of our larger and most popular ranch floor plans. It's about 2,400 square feet of living space, and the owner's bedroom is positioned kind of to the rear of the home for maximum privacy. It's a wide and welcoming foyer and hallway as you make the entrance into the home, and there's a large gathering space. It's just a real popular plan. We are pre-selling homes from the Stiles community also right here in Cartersville, and we have all of those design options available online for people to visit to start designing their new home. For more information, we invite people to visit our website. They can reach out to me directly on chat, or they can call me directly at 678-552-0289.
Well, Claire, thanks so much for being here with me today. And if you are ready to take the next step, head on over to the Stiles to check out the model home where you can meet with an agent and join the priority list. With Smith Douglas Homes, it is your home, your choice within reach.